How to build self-confidence in your kids. Confident kids know how to face the world and stand up for their rights. This is why we should inculcate confidence into our children. We can do that by the following ways. 1. Love them. Children that believe they are loved by their parents can stand before anyone and will not accept any undeserving treatment from anybody because they already know they deserve better. Love them despite their wrongs and mistakes. This will help them develop more confidence in themselves. 2. Don't scold them in public. Scolding children in public, especially in the presence of their friends or younger ones, can kill their self-confidence. If your child does something wrongly, wait till you go home before scolding them. Scolding them in the presence of their peers will reduce their confidence in themselves. In a situation where what your child did was too bad and needed immediate correction, scold him, but don't wait for too long before calling him back. 3. Praise them for what they've done well. The intensity with which we praise our kids when they have done something well should be more than the intensity with which we scold them for being wrong. This will tell them they are appreciated even when they are not perfect. 4. Be supportive. Our support for things that our kids do tells them how important they are to us. If you keep missing their sports competition day, especially the one your child is participating in, they will feel like they are not so important to you, and this will play down on their confidence level. 5. Be an example. Kids learn more by looking at us than listening to us. To raise confident kids, you have to be a confident person yourself. Be positive about the way you see and talk about life, and your sweet little ones will be happy to join you. For more motivational and natural health videos, subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos.